You do need to be quite delicate in how you're shading. But when you introduce something like the clothes which our models today are wearing, the contrasts are really strong. You've got skin tone or black, or pretty much. You can simplify it to those extremes, and you can really use that in your drawing. And this would be an example, I think, where the cotton wool ball that I mentioned would come in that you can block in with charcoal, and then you can even out that tone very, very quickly and very simply with cotton wool. And if you need to tidy up edges, you can do that with a putty rubber or something, or not worry about it, or just put a line over the top that emphasises where that division is. But the shapes themselves, certainly in the paintings that I've been making of Angharad, the shape of her dress is absolutely central to it. You know, I think it's brings a lot to the picture.